Ano yan yung bit-bit mo?
At last, ito yung first laptop ko.
Congratulations.
Na YouTube.
Thank you, YouTube.
Thank you, YouTube.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Jay and Joy.
In this video, we will be unboxing my new HP OmniBook laptop.
Please join us. So we're just going to go through some of its features.
So this is an OmniBook X Flip 14 inches.
It also has a Copilot Plus PC. Basically, it's like an AI system that helps you utilize the PC's capabilities. It has an Intel Core Ultra 5 processor.
And it has a 512 gigabyte SSD storage and a 16 GB RAM.
Also, its battery capacity is around 14 hours.
It has a Windows 11 operating system and the computer is also a touchscreen.
It also has Windows facial recognition system for increased security.
This laptop is 1.38 kilogram in weight.
It has two Type A USB port, one HDMI, one Thunderbolt Type C, and a standard Type C port. Now we'll be doing the unboxing. So, honey, would you please do the honors?
Okay.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Okay, here you go.
Wow.
Nice.
Here are the instructions.
Here we have the charging cable and the charging brick. And now for the star of the show.
I like the color of the keyboard and the letters. Big. Let me try to flip this. Like this, honey. How?
Yeah, flip it all the way.
All the way like
all
that?
the way. All the way.
Like that?
Yeah. As always, thank you for watching and we hope you enjoyed this unboxing video.
Thank you, YouTube. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon para lagi kayong nanonotify every time na meron kaming bagong video. Bye!
Bye!